What up, Tube? Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barbershop Barber Channel Vlogs. So what's one of my biggest pet peeves? Not missing work. That's how you become successful. Not that I'm super successful or anything, but if you want to get to the position that I am in, you have to develop a work ethic, mindset that you're just not going to miss work, you know. And that's what you need when you become a shop owner. You know, a shop owner has a lot of responsibilities. Not only just cutting hair and having a shop, but there's so many other responsibilities that you either have to delegate out to somebody else, or you pretty much have to handle it yourself. You know, there's, you know, like me myself, I don't have anybody delegated to. Yeah, I have my daughter that she's a good barber and she works for me, but you know, she has her own life and she has a kid and she has another kid on the way right now, so she's really busy, you know. So she's pretty much done for this season already. She probably won't be back till after the baby's born. I made that decision the other day. So now I'm really super short-handed. Tony's on vacation this week. Tony's one of my my regular guys that's always there for me. So today it might just be me and Alex and Fido, or just me and Alex, because I don't even know if Fido's gonna show up. So I mean, it's a big mess right now. So today I have to pick up the slack, and it is what it is, guys. It is what it is, you know. I'm not gonna lie, today I am super hungover. Why? Because last night we went out to a concert, me and my lady, my brother, a couple of his friends. His homie ended up getting bottle service at the concert we went to. So I mean, it was awesome. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Buckets and buckets of beer, and it was just a good time, and the music was awesome. And but that's kind of the point of this vlog today, is that, you know, guys, when you're that mindset of not missing work, and you go out and have a good time the night before, you know, and when you're a real adult, you go to work the next day, you know, like, you got, all right, I had a good time last night, I stayed out late, I didn't go to bed till 2 in the morning. But you know what? You still got to get up, and you still have responsibilities that you have to handle. And owning a shop is one of them. You know, when you own a shop, you can't just lay back and not open it, or I'm too tired, or I'm gonna let the guys work it. No, when you're the shop owner, and you know, like, especially like days like today, we're short-handed. You know, you got to pick up the slack, and you got to handle it, and you know, take care of business. And that's what I always do. I'm a go out and get kind of guy. I'm not a sit back and wait for something to happen kind of guy. I just go out and do it myself. But I'm gonna stop and get myself a donut right here, guys, and head over to the shop and get started with this week. Today is Thursday, which is my Monday, start of my week. I work from Thursday till Monday, so it's the beginning of the work week for me. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this donut and get to the shop. So we're rolling with 3 barbers today. Fido ended up showing up, which is a good thing. So it's basically me, Fido, Alex. So the 3 of us are working. Not that busy today. It's been okay. We've been relatively busy. It's only it's 11 o'clock right now. I'm gonna get some lunch and get some change, and then come back and finish this day off. But it's going pretty good, guys. I kind of just want to reflect a little bit, talk a little bit about being responsible employee when you go out the night before. And you know, we all like to go out and have a good time, guys. Even myself, I'm an older cat, you know, I go out and have a good time with my family and friends. And but you know, the next day we all have responsibilities, and I kind of just want to reflect on that you know, it's okay to go out and have a good time and drink, and you know, do it is what it is you do, and have a good time. But you know, the next day you have to show up and get to work. You know, there's no staying behind and, oh, I'm gonna sleep in, or no. The responsible thing to do as an adult male or man or whatever, or even female, you know, if you're gonna go out and have a good time, then the next day you get up and go to work. And you keep that in your mind and focus and train your body and mind to do that, guys. And guess what? You know, after a while, like, you'll train yourself and you'll say, like, oh, you know, maybe I shouldn't go out. Maybe I shouldn't stay out so late. Maybe I shouldn't drink so much because I have to go to work the next day. And therefore, you develop that skill that you need to have in order to get to work. Everybody knows, guys, you can't be a good employee. You can't be a good barbershop or a good barbershop owner if you don't develop that consistency of being at your job, being a barber, and being available for your customers. You need to be there. You need to develop that consistency of just always making yourself available. You know, if you don't do that, then you're not going to be successful in this business. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bank, get some lunch, go back and finish this day off with the boys, and we'll see where we're at with the rest of this day, guys. Grind on, guys. Stay blessed.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you again for watching another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Channel vlogs. We will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We're gonna be short-handed all day every day this week. I'm only rolling with 3 barbers. Me, Alex, and Fido. J-Lo's out because of her pregnancy, and Tone's on vacation, so we're a little short-handed, short-staffed. Today wasn't too crazy. I mean, it was busy, extremely busy for just 3 people, but I mean, it's expected. We have a lot of customers that come through here. But guys, to reflect on what we talked about today, guys, you know, and the reason why I brought it up today was because last night I went out and we had a good time with my brother and some friends and stuff, and we you know, we partied a little bit and drank a lot of beer, and I woke up with a sick hangover today. But you know what? As always, guys, I make a point, and the reason why I'm even letting you guys know about this is because it's the truth. You know, if you're gonna go out and have a good time, then guess what, guys? You need to get up the next day and go to work. You always have to show up. You always got to do your part. And you know, even though you're hungover, and sure, I had a great time last night. I had a great time, but you know what? A real man gets up every single day and goes to work, and that's the way it should be, guys. It doesn't matter if we went out. It doesn't matter if you got drunk last night. It doesn't matter. You know, as long as you get some sleep. I was still in bed by 2 o'clock in the morning. You know, and of course, you know, I'm an early bird, so I was up by 6:30 no matter what, you know, so I got about 4 hours sleep. You know, I was burned out today. I could feel it. I could feel it in my process and everything. I felt like, you know, I felt like a little hungover. But, you know, I came here, I handled business, and that's the way it is, guys. That's the way it should be. You should always handle your business, guys, no matter what. You know, everybody, we all like to have a good time, but that doesn't mean that we can slack off and not do our share. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Channel vlogs, and I'll see you guys mañana. Hey, guys, comment below, leave me some questions, leave me some comments, whatever you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Lates.